बॉलीवुड एक्टर इरफान खान की 53 की एज में डेथ हो गई। एक्टर इरफान खान पिछले 2 सालों से कैंसर से लड़ रहे थे, जहां पूरी इंडस्ट्री ग्रीफ में डूबी है। वहीं एक्टर की वाइफ सुतापा सिकदार ने एक हार्ट वार्मिंग पोस्ट शेयर की। सुतापा ने अपनी फेसबुक प्रोफाइल पिक्चर अपडेट करते हुए इरफान के साथ की एक पिक्चर लगाई और लिखा, आई हैव नॉट लॉस्ट, आई हैव गेन्ड इन एवरी विच वे। वहीं इरफान की फैमिली की तरफ से एक ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट भी आई है, जिसमें लिखा है, हाउ कैन आई राइट दिस एज अ फैमिली स्टेटमेंट व्हेन द होल वर्ल्ड इज टेकिंग इट एज अ पर्सनल लॉस? हाउ कैन आई बिगिन टू फील अलोन व्हेन मिलियंस आर ग्रीविंग विद अस एट द मोमेंट? I want to assure everyone that this is not a loss, it's a gain of the things that he taught us, and now we shall finally begin to truly implement it and evolve. Yet I want to try to fill in the things that people don't already know. It's unbelievable for us, but I would put it in Irfan's words. It's magical whether he is there or not there. And that's what he loved. He never loved one-dimensional reality. The only thing I have a grudge against him is he has spoiled me for life. His strive for perfection doesn't let me settle for ordinary in anything. There was a rhythm which he always saw in everything, even a cacophony and chaos, so I have learned to sing and dance to the music of that rhythm, even with my tone-deaf voice and 2 left feet. Funnily, our life was a masterclass in acting, so when the dramatic entry of the uninvited guest happened, I had by then learned to see a harmony in the cacophony. The doctor's reports were like scripts which I wanted to perfect, so I never miss any detail that he sought for in his performance. We met some amazing people in this journey, and the list is endless, but there are some whom I have to mention. Our oncologist, Dr. Nitish Rohatgi, who held our hand in the beginning, Dr. Dan Krell Shidravi, my heartbeat and my lantern in the dark, Dr. Sevanti Limai. It's difficult to explain what a wondrous, beautiful, overwhelming, painful and exciting this journey has been. I had this 2.5 years to have been an interlude which had its own beginning, middle and culmination. For Irfan, helming the role of the orchestra conductor, separate from the 35 years of companionship, ours was not a marriage, it was a union. I see my little family in a boat with both my sons Babil and Ayan paddling it forward with Irfan guiding them. वहाँ नहीं, यहाँ से मोड़ो. But since life is not cinema and there are no retakes, I sincerely wish my children sail this boat safely with their father's guidance in mind and rock by through the storm. I asked my children if possible they could sum up a lesson taught by their father that has been important to them. Babil, learn to surrender to the dance of uncertainty and trust your faith in the universe. Ayan, learn to control your mind and to not let it control you. Tears will flow as we will plant a Raat Ki Rani tree, his favorite, to the place where you have put him to rest after a victorious journey. It takes time, but it will bloom and the fragrance will spread and touch all the souls whom I won't call them fans but family for years to come.